Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the nucleus, and it was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Nucleus is known as brain of the cell. It is situated at the central part of cell, spherical or oval in structure, carry hereditary material. So let us discuss about the nucleus, parts of nucleus or structure of nucleus, and what are the function of nucleus. Nucleus is the cell. It is a membrane bound organelle, contain hereditary information and control the cell's growth and reproduction. It has the command center of eukaryotic cell and is commonly the most prominent organelle in the cell, accounting for about 10% of cell's volume. Nucleus cover 10% of total cell volume. It is occupied at the central part of cytoplasm. In general, eukaryotic cell has only the nucleus. However, some eukaryotic cell also enucleated, means some eukaryotic cell doesn't have nucleus, like RBC. Whereas some eukaryotic cell contain multinucleate, where more than one nucleus are present. For example, slime modes. Nucleus is separated from the rest of the cell or the cytoplasm by a nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. As the nucleus regulates the integrity of genes and gene expression, it also referred as the control center of cell or the brain of cell. Structurally, nucleus encompasses the nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromosomes and nucleolus. So, let us discuss the bit one by one. First is nuclear membrane or envelope. So, nuclear membrane is a double layer structure that encloses the content of the nucleus. Here is the nuclear envelope and it is double bound membrane. The outer layer of membrane is connected to the endoplasmic reticulum. Here is the ribosome attachment, and these folding are the endoplasmic reticulum. Especially these are the row of endoplasmic reticulum where the ribosomes are attached at the wall of endoplasmic reticulum. So outer layer or the nuclear envelope is embedded with endoplasmic reticulum. Like the cell membrane, nuclear envelope consists of phospholipid that form a lipid bilayer. The envelope helps to maintain the shape of the nucleus and assist in regulating the flow of molecules into and out of the nucleus through the nuclear pore. Here is the nuclear pore. These dots are the pore. Here, these are the pore. This pore helps to in and out of molecules. The nucleus communicate with the remaining of a cell or the cytoplasm through several openings called nuclear pore. These are the several nuclear pores here. Such nuclear pore are the site for the exchange of a large molecule and between nucleus and cytoplasm, as I say, in and out of molecule from outside of cell to the nucleus. Basically, the molecules are proteins and RNA here. A fluid-filled sap or perinuclear space is present in between the layer of a nuclear membrane. There is a perinuclear space in between. Next is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is the gelatinous substance with the nuclear envelope. These are the nuclear plasm or karyoplasm or nuclear sap. Fluid-like structure inside the nucleus is the nucleoplasm. It also called as a karyoplasm or sap of nucleus or nuclear sap. The nucleus and chromosomes are surrounded by nucleoplasm. Which function to cushion and protect the content of a nucleus. Nuclear sap or nucleoplasm protect the nuclear content. Nucleoplasm also support the nucleus by helping to maintain its shape. Additionally, nucleoplasm provide a medium by which materials like enzyme and nucleotides, in case of nucleotides it may be DNA or RNA subunits, can be transported through the nucleus. Substances are exchanged between the cytoplasm and nucleoplasm through nuclear pore. Here is the nuclear pore and perinuclear space. These are the perinuclear space which we discussed in last slide. These are the perinuclear space. Next important part is nucleolus. Nucleolus is the central part of nucleus. Contained with nucleus is a dense membraneless structure composed of RNA and protein called as nucleolus. It is contain RNA and protein. Here is the ribosome, especially rRNA are there, and hence it is the site for protein synthesis. And it is a membraneless, that is no membrane inside the nucleolus. The nucleolus contain nuclear organizer which are part of chromosome with the genes for ribosome synthesis on them. Here is the wall of nucleus where ribosomes dots are present. These are the dots are the ribosome and help in synthesis of a protein. The nucleolus help to synthesize ribosome by transcribing and assembling ribosomal RNA subunit. As I say, rRNA are there inside the nucleus and the wall of nuclear envelope. These subunits join together to form a ribosome during protein synthesis. Nucleolus disappear when a cell undergo division and it is reformed after the completion of cell division. Once the cell division is complete, nucleolus is again appear inside the nucleus. Next is chromosome. The nucleus is the organelle that houses the chromosome. Here inside the nucleus, chromosomal arms are present, chromosomes are present, and it is the short view of a single chromosome, and from the chromosome these are the DNA. Chromosome consists of DNA which contain hereditary information. We all know DNA is a genetic material, carry genetic information by the help of a protein known as a histone, and instructions for cell growth, development and reproduction. Chromosomes are present in the form of a single strings of DNA and histones. As I say, DNA contain protein histone. For the presence of a histone within the DNA, it is act as the genetic material. So DNA string of DNA and histone called chromatin. When a cell is resting, that is non-dividing, the chromosomes are recognized into a long entangled structure called as a chromatin. Inside the chromosomal arm, chromatins are looks like, just if it is a chromosome, it is primary constriction, then secondary constriction, so chromosome here, suppose primary constriction, here is the secondary constriction, and here is the telomere where end replication problems are there, and inside this chromosome chromatins are arranged like this, this, so chromatins are coil like structure inside the chromosome, looks like this spring like structure, and according to coiling, as per their coiling, it is there are two types, that is euchromatin and heterochromatin based on their function. The former type is highly condensed, transcriptionally inactive form, mostly present adjacent to the nuclear membrane. On the other hand, euchromatin is delicate, less condensed, organized in the chromatin, which is found abundantly in the transcribing cell. Last is the function. Control the gene expression, synthesis the protein, help in cell division, cell growth, diffraction, storage of a protein and RNA in the nucleus. Nucleus is the site for transcription in which messenger RNA are produced for protein synthesis. During cell division, chromatins are arranged into the chromosome in the nucleus, production of a ribosome for the protein factory. These are the main function for which nucleus is famous as the brain of cell. So here we finish with the nucleus. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.